Ben is opening up a present from Auntie Lola and Uncle Jason and Sophia. Can you get it out, buddy?
No.
Try not to ruin the box, okay? Hang it upside down and shake it. Shake it out. What is it? There we go. Whoa, is there a card?
No.
What fell next to you?
Yes. It's just a toy. I'm dagger tooted.
That was Claire.
No.
It's just a toy? What kind of toy? Let me read it. It's called Firepower. It's a backpack that shoots out water. Cool, Ben.
Don't want to shoot it water yet. Is it where it shoots water? If you shoot water by itself or...
Pretty cool. What do you say, Angela?
Thank you.
We're gonna have fun playing with that. Let me see the front of it. Front of the box. Oh, neat.
There's something else. It has the cord.
Cool.
It needs to go put together.
Yeah, we'll put it together. You can figure that out right away. So you can squirt Daddy.